We're gonna be headed over to Harry's Tuners in Bradenton. That's just north of Sarasota. All right, just got to Harry's. He's pulling out the Z so we can pull in the Skyline. We made it. Shut this off. I mean, when I say it's hot, it's hot. I mean, I am sweating. But look at this Targa Z. So sexy. Nice surprise. How you doing, baby girl? Looks good. Some spark plugs on this and maybe a compression test. Just took out the coil packs. Next up are going to be a spark plugs, and we want to take a look at them.
Are you going to do a compression check?
Compression check it is. How they looking?
Doesn't look bad at all.
Because the coil packs and spark plugs, they're pretty new. Like only a couple months. It's
Yeah, it's the different. It's probably not
BCP.
Let's take out the plugs that you got.
Alright, these are the plugs that I got here.
Let's take out one of them.
How are they looking?
So this has a little more reach, so that's probably a good thing.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna crank the car. When I say start, you crank the car, and when I say stop, you say, yeah, crank. Okay, so good. The first one's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's 150. That's good.
First one is good. Come on, Harry.
Hey man, it's due diligence. You should always do this.
I like it. Doing our due diligence. Diligence.
Now. Okay. That's good too.
That's good too?
Do a
Second one. It's good. Right?
Yeah. Okay. Also good.
Oh yeah! 3. It's good.
Yeah, they're all like 150.
What does that mean?
150 compression. They're all the same.
It's
Which
good.
is actually very good. Yeah.
You're my good luck charm, Harry. Yes.
I hope so, buddy. I would not say anything till the last one's done.
I have faith.
Yeah, that's good.
I have a lot of faith.
Okay, go. Okay, this one's 145, but that's pretty good.
Okay, I'll take it. The fourth one was 145, but
Close enough.
it's close enough. It's a pass.
Basically, you should not have more than a 10 psi variance.
That was within 5.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's fine.
It's not gonna like gradually diminish.
Well, it may because 6 usually runs pretty hard, but okay, go for it. All right, that's good.
Yes, sir. The fifth one was good. We have one more.
That's 155 actually.
That was 155.
Yeah.
She's a good motor.
All right, good.
Yes, sir. We did it.
Okay, it's 155 as well.
We're good. Engine's good. Compression test pass.
That's excellent.
My man, we did it. Just got the new NGK Iridium plugs put in. Coil packs. Looking nice and snug.
That feels so much nicer.
So smooth. Good shit, man.
Awesome.
Fuck yeah, man.
I'm happy. You can go. That's very RB. That's how they are in terms of torque curve.
Yeah. So we're at, what is that, 390?
95 and 300
And
foot-pounds.
300 foot-pounds. Cool.
Let's see, basically after 4,500 RPM, you're up there.
Yeah. I'm happy with that. Harry, you happy with that?
Sure. It's It's all good.
Solid. So that was my first time ever personally dynoing a car. Harry, do you think I have a future in being a professional dyno driver?
Sure.
I
You
think
didn't
so.
do bad. You did perfectly fine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
For my first time ever, I think I was a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Just need to run out here and get a couple of quick photos of the Skyline. That way we could list it with jdmsupply.com. I took about 60, 70 photos. I'm gonna filter through them all and pick which ones I want to post with JDM. Shoot me an offer and I don't know, we'll go from there. Peace.